Hi, I'm Elvira Koteles. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm part of the Rocks Mill Farms, and this is my mother-in-law, Elvira Koteles.
20 years ago, when we started growing asparagus, there weren't a lot of recipes out there for asparagus. It was a very unknown crop, and so we came up with a family favorite that we have been making ever since. And the beauty of it is we can interchange different vegetables or meats.
2 pounds of asparagus tips, cut into pieces or lengthwise. Cut between the elastics and remove before placing into your container. Add 1 medium, roughly chopped red and orange sweet pepper, 1 medium sweet onion, roughly 3 cups of cremini mushrooms, 9 to 10 cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of bacon bits, 2 cups of any leftover meat, chicken or turkey, and any leftover vegetables. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Add 2 teaspoons of Cajun spice, which is optional, and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Cover with tin foil and bake for 45 minutes. While the asparagus is still hot, sprinkle extra Parmesan cheese so that it melts into the dish. What we love about this recipe is that it's so easy to put together and versatile. You can use asparagus with any ingredients that you have in your cupboard on hand. It's a family favorite.